So I've been a big fan of the Google Pixelbook since the day I got it. And the other day, with just out of the blue, I got an idea I could connect the 2 terabyte SATA drive to the Google Pixelbook. And the way that it's done is spelled out in a Google document. I got it at the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. Real quick, what I did is I got a hub for the Google Pixelbook that had USB 3 A-size receptacles on it. So I plugged that hub in, took the 2 terabyte SATA drive that was in a USB 3.0, I guess you call it a flat docking station is what Amazon calls it. And I've got that identified by name in the Google document. Anyway, hooked that all up, and then I copied a few files from the Google Pixelbook into that external drive, and bazinga, I no longer have to worry about the internet being gone and being able to move files from the one drive to the other. Because once I did that, I then reconnected that 2 terabyte docking station back up to the Linux workstation, and bazinga, the files are there. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.